sufficient number of women lawyers who have entered the bar. The problem is retention, and the third is advancement. We are all focusing on retention of women in the bar and their advancement. Now, how could that retention be there? Institutional support and opportunity, I feel, are important. What is the institutional support? From the support of the court as an institution, like a woman gets married, has children, whether there is a creche where she can have the children, to be in the creche, and opportunity. Now, why I say opportunity? Because whenever we think of names for the bench, we only think of visibility of the lawyers. Whether this lawyer has appeared before us, then only we can judge that lawyer's performance. But even if they have no opportunity, where is their visibility? And how does opportunity come? Opportunity comes when we are able to appear before the courts in cases if we aspire to be judges on the bench. And for that, the seniors must give the cases to the talented women juniors, not just domestic violence cases or family court cases. Because you're a woman lawyer, you go to those courts. Challenging complex criminal, civil, constitutional litigation, commercial litigation must be given by the senior advocates to the women juniors so that they can show their talent. Then the court must support the women lawyers by giving them an opportunity to be amicus curiae. The third way an opportunity must be given is by institutions. My now Honorable Attorney General is here. I'm saying that this, sir, 30% of the law officers of the central government, Union of India, and state government must be women advocates. At least 30% of the public sector units or the corporations, companies, government companies must have women advocates on their panels. Now we are saying visibility of women. If they have opportunity, they will definitely appear before the courts. If they are not given any, you see, either as law officers or as panel counsel, even similarly, 30% of all legal aid panels must have women. Then only there will be opportunity given, there will be retention in the profession.